Hello there. My name is sometimes Heather and I make things. Once upon a time I found yarn on sale. This is Woolly Wood by Novita. It's a blend of tencel and merino wool. I got 5 100-gram balls in fox orange for €5 each. This yarn has been marinating for a long time, but I finally decided to crochet it into a shawl of waves. I used someone else's pattern for this. I will leave a link in the description box below. Woolly Wood wanted me to knit using 4mm needles. As I am a rebel, I picked up a 5mm hook and got to crocheting while watching my favorite sci-fi. Stargate is delightfully campy and full of adventure instead of drama. Perfect for crocheting a simple shawl. After the first ball, I paused to measure my work. The crochet fabric looked lovely to my eye, even though it was a bit stiff for my taste. A 6mm hook might have been better. I was a little bit concerned about not having enough yarn. Half a kilo is plenty for an airy knit, but for tightly bound crochet stitches it isn't an awful lot. At this point, the beginnings of my shawl measured 35 centimeters in length. Width I wasn't concerned about, that was set and determined. My limited math skills told me that 35 times 5 equals 175, which is an okay length for a shawl. With my mind now at ease, I crocheted along. After the second ball, I had about 70 centimeters. I added another ball and passed 1 meter. My shawl could no longer fit in the frame, so I had to turn it. Adding a third ball brought me so much length I had to fold the shawl to get a decent shot. And after the fifth, wow, that's a bit more than 175. I love the way my shawl turned out. It's warm and heavy and wraps around me with ease. I think this will get a lot of use in the coming winter. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Next time, I thought I might crochet a flower ring with you. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all later. Stay safe.